Hello students, this is Akshita, your educator, and I welcome you all on the platform of Global Online. As we know friends, Global Online platform has started a complete new course for upcoming CTET examination 2023, and in this particular course we'll be discussing the whole syllabus of the CTET examination. Along with that, we have started a series for the previous year question paper of Mathematics Paper 2. In today's lecture, we'll be discussing the question paper of 3rd January 2022. In order to understand the difficulty level and the paper pattern of the question paper, we are discussing this series. Along with that, the paper contains the question from easy to moderate level, but the difficulty level that students are facing is to adjust the time management. So along with the detailed solution, here I'll be providing you certain short and smart tricks so that you can solve the question paper within the limited span of time with a great accuracy. At the same time, you can confirm the target to gain 30 out of 30 marks. Even the students who find themselves weak at mathematics can also score this marks and can confirm the target. At the same time, for the Central Teacher Eligibility Test, a complete course has been launched by Global Online platform for Paper 1 as well as for the Paper 2. And if you want to get enrolled to the course, you can download the Global Online application from the Play Store or simply contact us on this given WhatsApp number. Global Online application is available on the Play Store, as I have told you earlier. Just install it, open the application, you'll find such type of interface where there is an icon named as Store icon. Click on it, you'll move to the page called as My Courses, and in My Courses there is a search tab where you have to type CTET. Once you type CTET, course for paper 1, paper 2 along with the compiled course, that is for paper 1 as well as paper 2 courses, will be displayed downwards along with the fees, and hence you can get enrolled to the course whichever you want to. Also, before, if you want to access the free videos, you can access again through the Global Online application. So without any further ado, let us begin with the lecture. This is the first question. What is the difference between the greatest and the smallest 3-digit number that can be formed using the digits 0, 2, 5, 6 without repetition? So here they have asked us not to repeat the numbers, first thing. And the second thing, that you have to form largest and smallest 3-digit number from these given digits, 4 digits, right? That is 0, 2, 5 and 6. These are the 4 digits that they have mentioned. So always keep in mind, whenever you are forming a smaller number, always write the given numbers in the ascending manner, that is 0, 2, 5 and 6, and just simply write the number 0, 2, 5, 6. So always remember one thing, never the 0 is going to come in the first place. Okay, 0 never comes in the first place. Just interchange the first and the second number over here, that is 2056 is going to be your smallest number, right? But here they have asked us for the smallest 3-digit number, not 4-digit number, so this is not going to come here. The smallest 4-digit number is going to be 205. 205 is a number that we can obtain. This is the smallest one. Okay, at the same time this became the smallest. Now for the largest 3-digit number, again you can arrange the given pattern in the descending order 6520. So 652 is going to be your largest number over here, because they have asked us only 3-digit. So we have to take the difference of both, that is 652 minus 205. If you do this, your answer is going to come, that is 447 is your answer. Okay, so this is the pattern that you have to follow. If they are asking us the ascending number, simply write, they are asking us the smallest number, then simply write the number in the ascending form. If they are asking us to find the largest number, then write them in the descending form and then form the number. Okay, and the third thing that you have to remember, that 0 is never going to come in the first place. Next thing, now this is the second question I have written over here because it was difficult to type. We have to find the product of the given number, that is 2 by 7 raised to minus 3 into 4 upon 49 raised to 6 is equals to 2 by 7 into 2m minus 1. Sorry, raised to 2m minus 1. We have to find the value of m over here. So look here what I'll do here now. 2 upon 7 as it is raised to minus 3. Can I write 4 by 49 as 2 square by 7 square, that is 2 upon 7 square. Okay, simply I'll write this as it is, that is 2 upon 7 square and raised to 6 as it is. Okay, is equal to 2 by 7 raised to 2m minus 1. So here what we are going to obtain, 2 by 7 and 2 by 7 is going to remain the same. Okay, so I'll take here 2 by 7 raised to minus 3 as it is into, I'll simply multiply this 2 and 6. Okay, I'll get 2 upon 7 raised to 6 2s are 12. This will give me 2 by 7 raised to 2m minus 1. If we look only at the power and if you look at the base, all the bases are common over here, that is 2 by 7, 2 by 7, 2 by 7, right? So simply we can now compare the power, that is 2 by 7 minus 3 plus 12 will give me 2 by 7 raised to 2m minus 1. Bases are common, so I'll compare the powers over here, that is this will give me minus 3 plus 2, plus 12 is equal to 2m minus 1. So here 9 is equal to 2m minus 1. 2m will be equal to 10. The value of m is equal to 10 divided by 2. This will give me 5. So the value of m here is going to be 5. Got it? This is your answer. Moving on to the next question now. Which of the following may represent 3 by 11? So here this is the question based upon the fraction. If you look at the first statement, dividing a rectangular sheet paper into 22 equal parts and coloring 3 parts among them. What does this mean? For example, we are having a rectangular sheet and we are dividing this rectangular sheet in 22 equal parts. Okay, I'm not going to divide all of them, and simply we are coloring the 3 parts out of 22 parts. So how can I write this in fraction? 3 colored parts out of 22 parts. So 3 by 22 is going to be the fraction over here. But they have asked us 3 upon 11 should be the resultant, but this is not going to be the resultant. This is the 3 upon 22. So this is your wrong answer. Dividing 11 mangoes among 3 people. So here we have 11 mangoes. 11 mangoes for 3 people, 11 upon 3. Many students are going to do mistake over here. They'll write 3 upon 11. No. Always keep in mind, whatever the things we are going to distribute among the people, that is going to come in numerator. And by how many peoples we are dividing it and how much people we are dividing it is going to come in the denominator. Dividing a circle into 33 equal parts and coloring 9 among them. It means, for example, this is a circle and we have divided this circle in such 33 equal parts. Okay, 33 equal parts, and we have simply colored 9 parts among them. For example, these are the 9 parts we have colored. So 9 colored parts out of 33 equal parts is going to be your answer. And if I simplify this fraction, this will give me 3 upon 11. So this is what we have got here, 3 upon 11, and the required fraction is 3 upon 11. So the correct answer is going to be option number 3. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following is not a perfect square? Okay, I have already discussed such type of questions with you. If possible, try to solve this question on your own. Okay, a little bit hint, if you want, I can give you over here, but I hope that we have already solved many questions based upon this, so you should be able now. Okay, so here an integer that can be expressed as square of another integer is nothing but the perfect square. We know this, right? So 2116, this is the square of 46. We know this, 46 into 46. Okay, 2916, again this is again a square, that is of 54. Okay, that is 54 into 54. 3136 again is a square of 36, but 3158 is not the square of 3158 is not the square of any or it's not a perfect square. Okay, so always keep in mind, whenever you are getting a number like 1 4 5 6 9 0 at the end, these are going to be the perfect square. 1 4 5 6 9 0, if these are at the unit place, it means this is going to be your perfect square. Simply if we look at the unit place, all 3 options contain 6. So 6, if it is at the end, this is going to be your perfect square. Okay, but here it is 8. If at the unit place it is 8, it is not going to be a perfect square. So this is your hint of today's lecture. Got it for this particular question. Okay, moving on to the next question. And again, if these numbers are at the unit place, it means it is a perfect square. It is a perfect square. If number like 2, 3, 7 or 8 are at the unit place, then the number is not going to be a perfect square. Please make a note of it. Moving on to the next question now. A shopkeeper has a 75 gold and 12 silver coins. She wants to stack them so that each stack contains the same number of coins of the same type. The maximum number of coins that each stack can have is what? So here we are going to find the HCF. Maximum number of coins we have to find. It means we are going to find the HCF. 3 25s are, okay, 5 5s are 25. This will give me 5 1s are 5. This is for 71. Next, sorry, 75. For 12, if I take, it is not 12 over here, it is 120 silver coins. Okay, so for 120 silver coins, make a note of it. In question it is 120, not 12. So it is 2 6 are 12 0. This will give me 2 3s are 0, 2 15s are, 3 5s are 15, and 5 1s are 5. Okay, so here HCF is going to be 3 5 in common. So HCF will be 3 into 5, that is equal to 15. So the maximum number of coins that can be stacked will be 15. That is option number C. Moving on to the next question now. The solution of the equation 3 into 2 minus x minus of x plus 6 is equals to 2 into 1 minus 3x. Okay, so solve this. Simply what you're going to do is multiply this 3 with this 2 and x. Okay, multiply or simply add this, simply multiply this minus sign with the given bracket. Okay, what I will do here, first I will multiply this 3 with the bracket. Okay, so this will give me 3 into 2 6 minus 3 into x, this will give me 3x, bracket as it is, minus x plus 6, I will write the remaining numbers as it is over here, 2 into 1 minus 3x. What I will do next here is 6 minus 3x, I will open it out of the bracket. After removing out of the bracket, 1 will be multiplied with this, sorry, the negative sign will be multiplied with this given bracket. This will give me minus x minus 6. This will give me, again I am multiplying this 2 with the bracket, so this will give me 2 minus 6x. Okay, so what is the number that we are going to get over here? Plus 6 minus 6 got cancelled, minus 4x, minus 3x minus x minus 4x, this will give me 2 minus 6x. If I take this 6 minus 6x on this side, this will be plus 6x minus 4x. Minus 4x is equals to 2. It means 2x is equal to 2. The value of x is equal to 1. The value of x is going to be 1. So here simply you have to find the same thing where the value of x is coming 1. Okay, so if we check all the options, this is the option where the value of x is going to be 1. Let us solve this first. 4x plus 3 is equal to 5 plus 2x. You can solve all the options. I am going to solve just this only option over here. 4x minus 2x, if I do 4x minus 2x, this will give me 5 minus 3. This will give me 2x is equals to 2. It means the value of x is equals to 1 over here. So this is the option where the value of x is also coming 1. So correct answer is option number first. If you check all other options, there the value of x is not going to be 1. So these are the wrong options. Okay. Moving on to the next question now. If a plus b is equals to 3 and a square plus b square is equal to 89, what is the value of 1 upon a plus 1 upon b? This is 1 upon b. What is given here? Let us find the, let us know the data that they have mentioned here. They have mentioned a plus b is equal to 3. The second data that they have mentioned is a square plus b square is equal to 89. And here you have to find the value of a upon 1 upon a plus 1 upon b is equals to what? This is the question. Okay. So can I write this 1 upon a plus 1 upon b as a plus b upon ab. I have simply cross multiplied it. Can I write like this? Okay, so this I'll mention this as equation number 1. Okay, now what is given in the question? This is the first thing that they have given, that is a plus b is equal to 3. So I'll square on both the sides. Squaring on LHS and RHS, I'll get a plus b the whole square, a plus b the whole square is equals to 3 square. This will give me a square plus b square. If I convert this, simplify this as a square plus b square plus 2ab. Can I simplify this? Yes. So this will give me 9. So here a square plus b square value has been already mentioned in the question, that is equal to 89. I'll insert this value at this particular place, that is 89 plus 2ab is equals to 9. So here the value of 2ab will be 9 minus 89. This will give me 2ab is equals to minus 80. The value of ab will be minus 80 divided by 2, that means minus 40. Okay, so here we got the value of ab is equals to minus 40. What value we have to find here? We have to find the value of 1 upon a plus 1 upon b. So 1 upon a plus 1 upon b can be written as a plus b upon ab. It means this can be written as a plus b upon ab. Here ab, value of ab is what we have find out right now, that is equals to minus 40, and we know the value of a plus b. What is the value of a plus b mentioned in the question? That is 3. So the value of a plus b upon minus 40 can be written as 3 upon minus 40. Okay, so the value is going to be minus 3 by 40. This was the option number 2 that have been not mentioned over here. Okay, the correct answer is minus 3 upon 40. Okay, you just have to understand the simplified version of a plus b the whole square. So a plus b the whole square can be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, moving on to the next question now. Let p is equals to 3x square minus 6x minus 4. Q is equal to 3 plus x minus 2x square, and the value of r they have mentioned. Basically they have mentioned value of p, value of q and value of r. We have to find the value of p minus q plus r. Okay, so let us solve this now. A very simple question again. We'll solve first only p minus q. Okay, for p minus q, I'll solve first p minus q. I'll find this value and then add plus r in it. Okay, so value of p that they have mentioned here is 3x square minus 6x minus 4. This is the value of p, minus value of q is 3 plus x minus 2x square. This is the value of q. Okay, so this will give me 3x square minus 6x minus 4. Simply I'll multiply this minus with the bracket. This will give me minus 3 minus x minus will become plus 2x square. Okay, so here what I'm gonna get is 3x square plus 2x square, 5x square minus 6x minus x will give me minus 7x, and this will give me minus 4 minus 3 minus 7. So this is the value of p minus q. Now I have got the value of p minus q. I'll add plus r in it. So p minus q plus r will give me 5x square minus 7x minus 7 in bracket plus the value of r is what? 4x square, that is minus 4x plus x square plus 9. This is the value of r. So this will give me 5x square minus 7x minus 7 minus 4x plus x square plus 9. Okay, so here 5x square plus x square, this will give me 6x square minus 7x minus 4x will give me minus 11x minus 7 plus 9, this will give me plus 2. So this was given in the option number A is the correct answer for the given question. Okay, very simple, you just have to remain patient till the end. Next question is, a number is first increased by 10% and then decreased by 10%, then the number is what? It is going to remain the same, or it is going to increase by 1%, going to decrease by 1%, or increased by 0.1%. To understand this, let us consider, let the number be 100. Okay, why I am considering 100? Because based on 100 we can increase the percentage, or calculation of the percentage is very simple on, if we consider the base as 100. Okay, so if I increase this by 10%, so what is the 100 over here? Let us consider the 100 as 100%. So the 10% of 100 is going to be what? 10. Okay, 10% of 100 is going to be 10. Okay, so a number is, let the number be 100. Now we have increased this 100 by 10%, it means we have increased it by 10. So number that we are getting is 110. Now this 110, this number further we have decreased by 10%. Many students, what do they do over here is 100 plus 10. It means first we have increased the 100 by 10%. It means we have increased it by 10. It means we are getting 110. Now they will, what mistake they do over here is, they actually decrease the number 10 by, they decrease the number 100 again by 10%. So they simply write the answer as remains the same. No, what mistake you are doing over here is, first we are increasing this number 100 by 10%, we are getting 110. Now we are decreasing this 110 by 10%, not this 100. Okay, so you have to remember this in mind. So here 110, if I am decreasing by 10%, what is the 10% of 110? 10% of 110 is 11. So if I decrease 110 by 11%, it means I am decreasing it by 11. Okay, so here you are getting 99 as your answer. Okay, so it has been, the original number was 100, now we are getting 99, so the given number has been decreased by 1% is your answer. I hope you have got the question. Okay, so till now we have understood how to solve the paper within a limited span of time without any delay. Here I have given you a very simple short trick to understand a perfect square. Just see the unit place. If the unit place is 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 0, then it can be a perfect square. But if we are talking about 2, 3, 7, 8 at the unit place, this is not going to be your perfect square. So simply looking at the option also, you can find that here it is 8, so this is going to be your answer. Okay, so this was end of today's lecture, where we have discussed the part 1 of the 3rd January 2022 question paper, which was conducted online in shift 2, but the part 2 will be discussed in the next lecture. Okay, so thank you for watching it. Have a great day everyone. Bye.